Day 1 of starting a clothing brand from scratch using only AI. I'm gonna focus on t-shirts, which are perfect for this challenge. And at the end of this journey, I'll show exactly how much money I made. So the first thing I did was to find a niche idea. For this, I used ChatGPT, and in just a few minutes, I found the perfect one, a motivation clothing brand. Now, step 2, I need to create some t-shirt designs using AI. For this, I used Ideogram, wrote some prompts, and in less than 1 hour, I created 10 motivational t-shirt designs. Step 3, I need to create a print-on-demand store. For this, I chose Printify for uploading my designs. They handle everything from printing to shipping and customer service. It's the best way to launch a clothing brand from home. The last thing I did was to create an Etsy store. Now I just need to connect the two together and import my designs. And voila, my clothing brand is ready. That's all for today. Comment day 1 so everyone knows you were here since the first day and follow for day 2.